Soft sunlight on the water, morning painted in blue. A perfect day is waiting, and it starts with you. Drop it in, let it go. Watch the worries drift below. No more chasing yesterday, there's a better way. While the water comes alive, everything falls into line. Every corner, every wave, taking care of all the way. More time, more life, more moments in the sunshine. More laughs, more dreams, living exactly how it seems. Let the water shine, let the day unfold. The best things in life are the moments you hold. Moving deep beneath the blue, doing what it's made to do. Climbing walls and tracing lines, leaving every surface right. Every leaf and grain of sand, gone before you even glance. Quietly it works away, giving time back to your day. More time, more life, nothing standing in your life. More joy, more free, exactly where you wanna be. One smart move, one simple start. A cleaner pool, a lighter heart, chasing, made for better days.